Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cara if you're new here, and this video is going to be everything that I bought on Amazon for my wedding. I have 4 different categories pretty much. I have stationery and stationery related things, as well as decor, then some like fashion slash accessories. Lastly, I think it's just like a miscellaneous category. So I'm just going to share with you what I got on Amazon, what worked for me. Without further ado, we can just get into it. So I think I'll be starting with stationery because that's kind of where I started with the wedding planning process. If you're watching this video, I'm going to guess that maybe you just got engaged, or you are planning a wedding, or maybe you know someone who's planning a wedding. So I would like to thank Deluxy for working with me on this video. They did send me their ultimate wedding planner. Whenever I got engaged, I thought in my head that it would be a good idea to print a PDF off of Etsy, like buy a PDF file off of Etsy, then get it printed at Staples and put it in a binder. No, because I thought it would be cheaper. It was not cheaper, and I don't know. In the end, I just really wish I would have had this binder from the beginning. So I will have this exact one linked below, and it comes in such a nice box, and it's honestly so beautiful. And it comes with one of these little like diamond pens, which I also did get some of these on Amazon, which I will have linked, but it comes with one. And then the binder itself looks like this, and it says future misses, things to do before we say I do. And honestly, this is so beautiful. If you are getting married or you know someone who's getting married, definitely just get this. Like, don't go thinking you're gonna print something off of Etsy, because I did that, and for the price point, you just get this. So on the inside, it comes with stickers and a bookmark, a little folder thing with pockets so you can stick receipts or who knows what in there. And then up here we have all of the tabs. So there's vendors, inspiration, budget, checklists, wedding party, guests, wedding events, wedding day, and honeymoon. So yeah, this pretty much has it all. The size of this is, I think, perfect. Also, you can open it up and take out pages that you don't need, or you can add in pages that you do want. Like I said, if you're planning a wedding and you're in the market for a wedding planner, I 10 out of 10 would recommend this one. So I will have this linked below. And yeah, I know when I was planning my wedding, having a wedding planner to write everything down and keep track of everything was very important to me. I need things to be written down. I need to see the plans. I need to see the timelines, all of that. So yeah, thank you so much to Deluxy for working with me on this video. My cousin actually did recently just get engaged, so I think I will be giving this to her so that she can use it and stay super organized during her wedding planning. Also, I completely forgot to mention that Deluxy did give me a code to share with you guys. You can use code 10CARAGRANT to get 10% off of your wedding planner, which makes it even more affordable, which is so great. So definitely get your hands on that. We sent out our save the dates, I think around New Year's, so we got some things for that. I ordered some of these diamond pens, so I ordered a set of 3. So I will have the exact set that I ordered linked below. I think they're so cute. Then I also got a set of these envelope moisteners because I knew that I would not be licking all of the save the dates and all of the invitations and all of the thank you cards. It just was not going to happen. So I got a set of 4 of these. And I gave one to my mom when she like sent out invitations for the bridal shower and stuff. These are absolutely essential if you're getting married. Like, you will not be licking all the envelopes. Like, don't do it. Yeah. Then next up, Ethan had to ask his groomsmen to be his groomsmen, and we tried to keep it pretty like low-key for groomsmen and bridesmaid proposals. I just did like champagne bottles with little labels like sticker labels that said like, will you be my bridesmaid and whatever. And Ethan didn't really know what he wanted to do for his groomsmen, but we ended up just sending them, or he sent them, cards. So it came with 2 best man cards, and then I think it came with like maybe around 10 will you be my groomsman cards. So this is what's left of the cards that we have. So they say it's time to suit up, will you be my best man or will you be my groomsman, and the inside is blank for you to write your own message. This is what we decided on, pretty cost effective. We didn't want to spend a ton of money doing like groomsmen and bridesmaid proposal stuff, and they come with envelopes. Next, in like the stationery category, I have thank you cards. Thank you cards was another thing that I didn't really want to spend a ton of money on, because ultimately people are going to receive their thank you card, read it, and then like throw it away or recycle it. So I didn't want to spend a ton of money on thank you cards. So I found this set of 120 cards with envelopes, and they just look like this. They say thank you in silver like script, and then the inside is blank, and then they come with envelopes. So a great affordable bulk option for thank you cards. Okay, so next in the stationery category, okay, so I DIY'd our invitations, which I'm gonna see if I can try to insert a photo of our invitations, because for the most part I like the way that they turned out. I used my Cricut to address all of the envelopes. So I ordered this set of Cricut pens, I ordered some of this double-sided tape, and then also I ordered this chiffon ribbon, and I ordered kind of a lot of this. I think I ended up ordering like 4 different packages of it. We used it for so much, mainly the invitations, but also like our cake stand had a thing where you put ribbon in, so I used this ribbon. Also, I'll show you, we put it on the totes for the bridesmaids and stuff. And yeah, so this ribbon, oh, this is like a reserved tag from our ceremony. So we used this ribbon for kind of a lot actually. So that's it for the stationery category. So moving on into, I think, accessories and fashion, because I think when it came to wedding planning, my outfits were my favorite part of planning for me. Like for the wedding week and wedding related events, figuring out what I was gonna wear was the most fun for me. Starting with hair accessories, I got this set of pearl hair clips. One is like more like classic barrette shape, and then this one is more rectangular. And then also for hair accessories, for the wedding ceremony, I had a chapel length, floor length pearl beaded veil. So I didn't have any other accessories in my hair for the ceremony because the veil was kind of a lot already. But for the reception, I knew I wanted something because I wasn't going to be wearing the veil. So I got these little hair pin things, and they're just these little flowers with pearls and rhinestones, and I just had them tucked in to my bun because I had my hair in kind of a low bun. Things like this can be so expensive. Like if you get them from a bridal salon or a bridal store, they will literally charge you like $50 for these, which is insane. So definitely look into getting them on Amazon. I'll have these ones linked below. They have them in, I think, like 5 different colors or something. So definitely check these out. Next, for accessories, I got these white sunglasses to wear with different wedding related outfits because I didn't have white sunglasses, and I thought maybe I would want white sunglasses to wear with my outfits. So I know I mentioned totes. So I gifted all of the bridesmaids totes, these totes in gray, and then this one is mine, that's white. So I ordered kind of a lot of these. These were also pretty affordable and decent quality for the price. Like I don't think anyone had any issues with theirs or anything. I put the chiffon ribbon here. I tied a little bow around all of them. They came with like tassels and ribbons, but they didn't really match the vibe of the wedding, so I took them off. But yeah, just this like faux leather tote, super affordable. It has an inside pocket here. Also, if like you're just looking for a tote in general, this is pretty good, honestly. Like, it's a good size, it fits my computer. This is my tote. So I also got all of the bridesmaids black zip-up sweatshirts, and I got myself a white one for getting ready the morning of the wedding. So this is mine. It's the Hanes Eco Smart brand, just zip-up sweatshirt. Mine is in a medium because I like it a little bit more oversized. These are great. I have 3 Hanes Eco Smart sweatshirts, and for the price, like, you can't beat it. I have this one in gray, and I've worn it like over 100 times for sure. It's in the wash right now, and I've literally washed it so many times and it hasn't fallen apart or anything. Definitely would recommend these. This one is kind of fun, for me at least. My bachelorette party was Y2K themed, and I got these parachute pants, which are actually like coming back into style. So obviously they're in white, and I actually did just talk about these in my current Amazon favorites video that just went up, I think, last week. They cinch at the ankle with these like drawstrings, and around the hip they have 1 butt cheek pocket, 2 side pockets, and these are so great. They come in so many different colors. You don't need to get just white. They have like black, white, khaki, green, literally so many colors. So if you want to hop on this trend but you don't want to spend a ton of money, or if you can't find them in stock anywhere, check the link for these, because yeah. And then I think going into fall, how I'm going to style them, I'm going to wear these with an oversized sweater, and I think they'll be so cute. I don't really know what oversized sweater yet, but yeah, I think these with an oversized sweater would be so cute. Moving into decor. We got married in Michigan. We live in Maine. Literally got married over 1,000 miles away from where we live. So that being said, not all of our decorations made it back with us. So the first thing, if I can find photos of anything that I'm talking about though, I will insert them. The first thing that we ordered in terms of decor from Amazon were easels. Our venue didn't supply any decor, period. We had to bring it all ourselves. So I found easels on Amazon, because those are another thing that can be kind of expensive for literally no reason. They're collapsible tripod easels, and they worked great for what we needed them for. We had them for our seating chart and our welcome sign, and they worked great. So those were our easels. The next thing was our arch. So we got a really big, I think it was 8 feet tall and 9 feet wide, round arch, and it was metal. It was gold, and we spray painted it black. And yeah, then we like put some like garlands and stuff on it. So yeah, if you're looking for an arch for your wedding, definitely check Amazon. I think it's technically marketed as a balloon arch. Obviously we did not put balloons on it, but if you wanted to, you could. If you wanted to like reuse it for baby showers, birthday parties, things like that, that would work. Then along with the arch, we also got zip ties, because we zip tied all of the garlands to the arch, and that's how we got them to stay is with zip ties. And then the next thing that we ordered from Amazon were our table number holders. So these are clear acrylic table number holders. These were great. I designed our table numbers on Canva, had them printed at Staples, and then I just used I don't know the technical term, but I've just been calling it a paper guillotine, the kind that like teachers used to have where you like do that thing. Yeah, so then I cut out our table numbers, then stuck them in here, and these are great because you can see it, the table number, from both sides. Like if you're coming from either side of the room or anything like that, you can see it. These ones have a silver little border, and yeah, these are really great. The next thing that we got which were really great and also really affordable in terms of decor, were these chiffon table runners. So this is the color of our bridesmaids dresses and like the bow ties for the groomsmen. This one was at our sweetheart table, kind of just like draped over like the top of it. Then we also got 2 of these in ivory. Ethan's mom actually sewed them together and we draped it over our arch for the ceremony, so those worked really well. And then the last thing, this isn't really decor related, but they ended up going on the tables at the reception. These are clear cellophane bags for like baking. Our wedding favors were little, if I can find a picture I'll insert it, but our favors were little candies. I also designed stickers again on Canva that said thank you for joining us, with like our E and C little logo, or I think it's called a duogram actually. Basically we packaged all of our favors in these clear cellophane bags, so that was fun. So for miscellaneous stuff, we got a lot of stuff for like bridesmaids, groomsmen, parents, things like that, including but not limited to the individually wrapped makeup wipes, Altoids, Gatorade sticks. I didn't know if people would be feeling a little under the weather the day after the bachelorette party, bachelor party, whatever, so I did get a pack of 50 of the like Gatorade powder sticks that you like mix with a water bottle. So we got water bottles from Costco and then a bunch of the Gatorade sticks, so those were really great. Oh, also hankies. I ordered hankies for all of the bridesmaids, myself, the moms, the grandmas, and then the dads, the grandpa, and then Ethan. I don't think they were really used ever, but I will have all the hankies that I ordered linked below, and if I can find photos to insert, I will insert the photos. Why do I feel like the lighting just got so much better at the end of this video? Whatever. Okay, and then lastly I have some tech things that I got for the wedding. We didn't have a video, okay, we weren't supposed to have a videographer for the wedding, but my cousin's fiance actually works for, I'm not entirely sure what he does, but he works for the news and he like is a camera operator, I think. I don't know his technical position, title, whatever, but he ended up, okay, so I brought my camera with the tripod that I got specifically for the wedding, which I'm using right now so I can't show it to you, and I got extra batteries and extra SD cards to use for the wedding, and he ended up filming a ton of our wedding for us, the ceremony, the reception, all of that, so I'm so thankful to him. And yeah, but so I did get this tripod, extra SD cards, and extra batteries, which I'm so glad that I did because they were used. And yeah, a little tip if anyone is planning on maybe getting a camera, or if you have a channel or anything like that, SD cards are cheaper on Amazon than Best Buy. So definitely check Amazon for your SD card needs. Also, the batteries that I got are not technically Canon batteries, but they're Canon G7X compatible. So I read the reviews, everyone said that they worked, I got them, tried them out, and that's what I'm using right now. So that's it for that, and I think that's pretty much all I have to share with you in terms of everything that I got on Amazon for our wedding. I feel like this was kind of rambly, so I think I'm just going to wrap it up here. I want to thank Deluxy again for working with me on this video, and if you guys have any questions on anything wedding related or anything, definitely leave me a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Everything will be linked in the description. Not sure if I mentioned that at the beginning of the video, but yeah, everything will be linked in the description. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I will just see you all in the next one. Bye.